Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa camera motion detection now working. As you can see, I have the Kasa Spot Pan Tilt camera and it's recording into a SD card. And here I have the motion detection. See, I was testing before, moving my hand in front of the camera and it's detecting motion, right? So here you see by this dark green that the detection is working, right? And here you see motion detection and also the time that's being recorded, 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and here 1 minute and 24 seconds, right? So just if I move here, I can go to the next one. So it's basically working as well. See, it was moving something there and it's detecting motion, right? So if it's not working for you, let me just show how you can fix that, okay? So basically here, you go to your app. Here I'm using the Kasa app, of course, and here on settings, you need to make sure that you have detection and sensitivity adjusted accordingly. Here I see motion detection, person detection, sound detection for listen for sound or detect baby crying, right? So let me just come here to this motion detection. That's the one that I want to enable. So just make sure that I have enable here and you can adjust the sensitivity. Sometimes it's like too low. Let's say, for example, 6 to 7 is a good one. But if you want more sensitive, you can just change here and test. Okay, and here is the record motion that lasts at least 1 second. So if I'm moving my hand here in front of the camera for at least 1 second, it's going to detect the motion, okay? So my hand here moving, for example, I need to stay at least 1 second in front of the camera with my hands moving so it can detect and starts recording. And also important is the viewpoint. You see that I have different viewpoints. I was testing the camera in different areas. And if you don't set up the viewpoint here, it's not gonna work. So basically here the viewpoint works like this. You just come here and then you select the camera position and you add a new viewpoint, right? Then you save it. That's the way it works basically. Then I have different viewpoints, right? Here I have this viewpoint. When I click on it, it goes to the position. And if it's there, then it's going to work as long as you save it and you have the motion detection enabled here and the sensitivity adjusted. So pretty good. And also, of course, you need to have your SD card. Here I have 24/7 recording to the SD card. As you can see, it's there and it's enabled, all right? Then when I come back here to 24/7 recording, I see that I have motion detection sometimes, and then the recording is there, right? So it works pretty fine as long as you have everything enabled here the way it's supposed to be, right? So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next video.